So I'm done with most of the chores and I wanted to do laundry just now, but the washing machine was in use. So I'm just going to bake some chocolate cupcakes with a recipe I just found on TikTok like 2 weeks ago. And the recipe is to die for. The chocolate cakes are so moist, so let's bake them together. So we'll start with the dry ingredients. The first batch is in the oven. I'm going to put the remaining butter inside the fridge. Then I'll try to see if the washing machine is available now and do some laundry. They're ready now. Let me bring them out. A lot of them always have this issue with them like spilling out of the cup. So I don't know what measurement to pour into the paper cups while I'm pouring out the batter so that they won't spill out. But most of them look nice. They look okay. Okay, so I don't know what to do about these ones that keep spilling out. I don't know if it's the amount of batter I pour into each cupcake tin, but the rest seem kind of okay. Like this one wanted to spill out, but it's fine. Anyhow, I'll just take them out, then leave them to cool and put the next batch in the oven. So it's getting late already. I'm tired. I've spent the whole day cleaning and doing other stuff, but I want to prepare something to eat for the night. I think I'll just do chips. Yeah, I'll put it in the oven. We don't fry our chips anymore. I think after I have dinner, I'll just start editing the videos. Hopefully I can start uploading them this week. And I've been having some issues with my YouTube in a way. It's nothing serious, it's just that when I search my YouTube name in the YouTube search and it brings out results like my videos, it doesn't show the custom thumbnails that I spent my time making. It just takes random clips from the video and that's what is the thumbnail for my videos. But when you click on my profile and go to my page, I think you can see the thumbnails. And for some reason I can't contact YouTube. You can only contact YouTube directly, I think, if you're a partner. That means if you're monetized or something. I don't even know what I can do to sort it out for now. It's quite frustrating because it's like I spent a lot of time on those thumbnails and they're gone. And I don't know if people manually search my YouTube page, but like that's the first thing that they'll say, and it's very, let me say, unpleasant. But yeah, hopefully when YouTube recommends my videos to anybody, choose the thumbnail, the one with thumbnail, because I don't think having random pictures from my videos does anything much to attract viewers. That's what I'm kind of dealing with now. So after preparing dinner, I think I'm going to start editing videos. I ended up having to transfer like a bulk of the videos from my phone to my laptop, so I have to do the editing on my laptop. That's another problem because I'm very comfortable using Ver.lo to edit on my phone, but since I don't have space on my phone for those videos, I'm going to have to use iMovie or CapCut, and I'm not really good at that, so I'll have to figure something out. But yeah, let's prepare dinner. So I'm just gonna pop these in the oven. While I wait for that to get ready, let me just start editing the videos, I guess.